What's up, everybody? This is Ezra here. So happy you could join us. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to see what I do when my family decides to leave this beautiful, furry face behind all by myself. I've been working out. Can you tell?
Check it out. Check out my paws. Check out my paws. Yeah, check out my paws.
Let's get it started. Is this thing on? Oh, okay. Hi, I'm Ezra, and this is my secret life. Hello? Are you coming back? Hello? Ugh.
They're gone. They're gone.
Wait. I'm all by myself. I can do whatever I want. I can sleep wherever I want. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Oh, okay. Maybe I went a little overboard on the cat food. Oh, man, I'm so full. I'm so worn out. Ugh. And, I'm really bored. I'm just sitting here like a human. Ugh. What am I gonna do? I've already done everything. I'm so tired. I'm so bored. I'm just sitting here. Ugh. I ate way too much. I wonder what my family's doing. Oh, the loneliness, the pain. I'm all by myself, so bored. You know what would help? If you push that subscribe button and push a like, it might cheer me up. It might get me through this time by myself. Oh, it's so lonely. You know what? I bet my family misses me so much. I bet they're having such a hard time without me. Oh, I miss my family. I bet I know what they're doing. I bet they're biting me some cat food. I bet they're going shopping for me. I bet I'm gonna get a new toy. I'm sure that's what they're doing. Oh, there's a feather. Oh, it's so boring. It doesn't even play back. It's not even playing back. Where is my family? Where is my family? They're back! Oh yeah, I knew they missed me. I knew they were thinking about me the whole time. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. That's our episode for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you join us next time. If you haven't done so, push that subscribe button so you don't miss it. And as always, have a perfect day. See ya!